So to kick things off, I'd like to thank everybody for dialing in this morning. We're going to be reviewing, as part of our fuel filtration product launch webinar this morning, the introduction of the standalone particulate and coalescing filters, the GHPF, and also with that, the GHCF. So to start, really it all begins with this conversation of this diesel industry experiencing a climate of change. The basic understanding of what has changed in the industry today with fuels, with engines, digs down to the core of why we have a whole suite of advanced filtration products for diesel fuel. This understanding is really well explained in some of the recent articles we've had published in both the PEI Journal and the Fluid Power Journal. Those will be made available on the website for you to review. And if you should have any questions on that, that's a really great resource to review on your own, as well as provide to customers who have interest or would like to know more about the changes in the industry and why we're talking about advanced diesel filtration today. Now to move on to the new GHPF and GHCF components. These are the components that make up that BDFP solution. The GHPF is really a purpose-built diesel fuel particulate filter. Again, used ideally in fuel transfer applications, fuel polishing, or in just simple dispensing or point-of-use applications. This system uses our patented GeoSeal technology and combines the Z media in the particulate filter to provide a very proprietary and high efficiency, high performance filter. Now because of that, this solution provides a great substitute for high flow cartridge fuel filters, or what we commonly see as high flow spin-on particulate filters out there in the field. Some of the features include up to 100 gallons per minute of flow at 150 psi rating for this size of housing. Again, using that GeoSeal Z media element, we've got anywhere from 1 to 25 micron in offering, again, standardizing on that 3 micron, what's really needed to meet the Tier 4 emissions requirement for fuel cleanliness. Now, these are built with all aluminum construction, and they are fully anodized in their coating to really prevent a good, robust finish, corrosion-resistant finish, and really a lightweight solution. Now we use 1.5" either NPT porting or SAE O-ring boss porting for convenient large port sizes for those high flows. And the GHPF itself requires up to 2 inches of element clearance at the bottom of that bowl in order to service that filter housing, really making it ideal for tight applications or panel or enclosure mounted applications. The D5 indicator is standard and really does provide some great value in a lot of the dispensing filters or transfer filter indicators out there in the field may not latch. And with the D5, it provides a latching indication, so when that system may not be in operation, you could still observe that red indication that says the element needs to be changed. Now, some of the benefits for this product, again, ideal for installations with limited space. With that minimal clearance needed at the base, it works extremely well in applications like polishing panels, enclosures for those fuel polishing system manufacturers. High flow capability really provides a very low cost yet high performance solution, and making it very easy to integrate into existing systems where perhaps larger filter systems are currently used. Now, I had mentioned before that this is an all aluminum constructed housing solution for the GHPF and GHCF, and we fully anodized the head, tube, bowl, and sump section for that coalescer, really providing a great corrosion resistant finish that is uniform and will ensure a good look in that installation for years to come. It is also, being all aluminum, light and robust in its design, and provides great compatibility with a variety of materials, including standard diesel fuel, as well as biodiesel blends all the way up to 100% biodiesel content. An example of a GHPF application includes a fuel and lube truck fabricator. Now, there was issues with in-field concerns from this fabricator with existing filtration that they currently use. Now the problem was that in the field, that fuel quality, they typically sell into Africa and into South and Central America, and with the potential for poor fuel quality in that supply chain, the system often required frequent element services, if not one element per week being changed out in these fuel and lube trucks. Now our solution in this case is the GHPF, that GeoSeal High-Flow Particulate Filter, which not only provided higher capacity filtration to extend the element life and increase the flow, but in this case, we were able to far exceed the flow and increase the capacity by 75 gallons per minute. That allowed the customer to be more competitive and provide more flow should they want to upgrade the pump in their dispensing system. Now, overall cost to operate is significantly lower, even though the upfront cost may be marginally higher. And within less than 5 element changes of the competitive product, the GHPF becomes the lower overall cost to operate and eventually will continue to return a cost savings in over 5 element changes. Now, additional revenue is also potentially generated for this customer if they pursue the route of private branding and the use of our GeoSeal element sealing technology. That ensures that the replacement element sales are going through that equipment truck manufacturer and that they're seeing the replacement element revenue through them and through our distribution. With that, to wrap it up, I'd just like to thank you all for your time. Now, as you may be asking questions, interested in dimensions, or more interested in the specifics on the specs listed for each of these products, you're welcome to check out our website. Those are available on the Schroeder Industries website. If you type in the search bar BDFP, GHPF, or GHCF and search any of those terms, you'll find a number of catalog pages, product flyers, and information on those products. We certainly thank you for your time this afternoon. Have a great weekend and enjoy your Friday evening.